mga laruan ni Ate Paris natin. Some more books. Yeah, we'll bring them to, mamaya siguro. Ito, punong-puno yan lahat, guys. Oh, laruan. Oh, may mga bears pa. Kung pwede lang talaga sanang madala lahat, guys. Dadalhin ko lahat, pero wala eh. Very limited lang yung space natin sa truck. Tapos, yung napadala ko na boxes sa Pinas, 4 na box na.
Yeah.
Careful, Paris.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Like it's a one-man show.
Yeah.
He'd have this done in 30 minutes, and it'd be like Tetris, mate. It'd be like just fucking.
Ayan, nakastuck na ako.
Hi, Silly.
No, you sounded like me na. Talk again.
Hi, Silly.
Good morning, my baba. Siling siling.
Mommy, that is morning.
Mukha ni Celine. Good morning, Ate Paris. Good morning. Alam niyo ba kung nasan kami, guys? Dito kami magpapaswab test. Tingnan niyo. Time is hindi mag-focus. 5:41 na ng umaga. Kanina, alas 4:30 kami umalis ng bahay. Hello? Hello, my little bunny.
Look at Bunny.
Are you a bunny? Are you a bunny girl? Are you a bunny girl? Alam niyo, guys, sobrang aga, no? 5:40 pa, no? Pero grabe, sobrang dami ng tao dito ba? Buti na lang yung kaibigan ni Daddy Mike. Sinabihan siya na kailangan yung pumunta ng sobrang maaga talaga kasi it takes a while yung resulta bumalik. And everyone is getting just at the moment, guys. Kailangan kasi namin to pabiyahe. Papuntang Brisbane, no? We need to get our result within 72 hours? Yeah, 72 hours before the flight. So, yeah, that's why we're here. Ito siya. Tapos nagmamadali kami, guys. Ito siya. Hindi na kami nag-isip ng napi, At ito siya, nagpupo. Ewan ko na lang anong gagawin namin ito sa kanya. Pero nakahilera na yung mga sasakyan, guys. Pangatlo kami dito. Tapos marami pa doon. Maraming mga sasakyan doon. Lord. That's what you do. Do you think everyone here is going interstate, overseas, whatever?
Yeah.
Everyone's flying.
I think everyone that's here this early is.
Yeah. Didi. Pinadedi ko na to siya ba? Ay. Yes, anak. Ito, ayaw matulog.
Need to take off my seatbelt. I need to take off my seatbelt.
Don't take off your seatbelt. Very interesting, guys, kasi I think itong mga bata din, ito siya, tsaka sa Ate Paris ay din, magsuswab din. I don't know. We'll see how they go with it.
I already know.
Yeah, I know.
Daddy, dance. The music is dancing.
Dancing, everyone. Do you listen to that one at school?
There's lava.
Yes.
The floor is lava, Mummy.
I
A few moments later.
So here's the skip. Ay, malaki talaga siya. That's good. Kasi sobrang daming ilalagay. Sobrang laki. Oh, mas malaki pa sa akin. Oh, wow. No wonder it's very expensive. I think, ano to siya? $600 ata to siya. 620 or something. Jim, skip beans. Nak, stand next to that nak, be. We'll see how big the skip is. Stand next to it. Tingnan nyo. Woo! It's so big, isn't it, honey?
Yeah, I can't reach it. Too big.
It's too big. Ang dami pa kasi dito, guys. Yan. Ito siya, dadalhin to siya. Ang treadmill ni Daddy Mike. But the rest, ito, ayan. Hala, ang kaset ni Daddy Mike. Kaiiwan to. Sayang naman to. We have mirror.
Oh, you got any,
This one.
have you got $27?
27.
Like, have you got 27 or no?
Have a look into my
I know
wallet.
you got 50s.
I'm not sure, Bob.
Have you got any 20s or not?
I'm not sure.
If you don't have,
You can go and have a look in my wallet, Bob.
I know in your wallet, but
I want to bring that one. Oh, the white one. The rest, yung mga frames na yan, yeah, we'll throw them away.
Mommy,
Sayang na sayang talaga.
I'm raining.
What is it, nak?
I'm raining.
It's not charged, Baba girl. Ayan sa taas pa, oh, yung mga moving boxes na yan. Yan yung ginamit namin nung nag-move kami dito. So, that also need to go. Kung makita nyo sa likuran, guys, naku. Come here, anak! Nakita nyo doon. Pakita ko sa inyo pala. See, look here, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yan yung rice cooker. Yung mga vase. Andyan pa, guys. Hindi talaga to sila mga, ano ba? Rubbish ba? Na rubbish talaga. Yan. The barbecue. Ano na rin yan. We'll chuck that away. Ang screen ni Daddy Mike, we'll chuck that away because there's just no space for it. Ito. Yung shoe rack. Ito talaga, guys. Sasayangan ako, guys. Dapat sana dinamihan ko yung box. Mahal kasi din yung padala sa Pinas ng box, guys. Uy, tignan nyo, oh, mga laruan ni Ate Paris natin. Some more books. Yeah, we'll bring them to, ano, mamaya siguro. Ito, punong-puno yan lahat, guys. Oh, laruan. Tignan nyo, oh, may mga bears pa. Kung pwede lang talaga sanang madala lahat, guys. Dadalhin ko lahat, pero wala eh. Very limited lang yung space natin sa truck. Tapos yung napadala ko na boxes sa Pinas, 4 na box na. Naku. Wala na. Wala nang sapi si Mami. But yeah. Oh wow. You know what I mean? Minsan kaya nga hindi ko na lang tinitignan ba kasi nasasayangan ako. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon and this little one is having a rest. Ayan kasi maagang gumising. Kaya ayan, tulog na tulog. Nandito na pala yung ating ano guys, removalist. Ayan na ang mga boxes. Ay! Dinala na pala doon. Nailabas na ang mga gamit.
Mommy, carry me. I carry.
Huh? Oh, we don't leave Celine inside the house.
Mommy,
By herself.
carry.
Ayan,
it's
oh,
hot,
malaking
it's
truck
hot.
nila.
My
It's not hot?
No, my legs are hot.
Okay, let's go in now because it's hot.
Mommy,
go
just
into
carry
hot.
me. Just carry me, Mommy.
You're too heavy to carry. No, you're so big.
No, I wanna come in your back. Mommy,
Okay,
your back,
okay.
your
Come
back.
on. Sobrang laki ng kanilang truck, guys. Royal Wolf. Ayun na ang mga boxes natin sa loob. Ito, ayan pang iba. Ito siya. Careful nak, mataga ka nak.
Wait. Carry.
Carry, carry.
Wait, carry.
Carry. Ayan. So, ito na ang maiwan yan. Dadalhin pa yan. TV. Tapos, itong mirror. Ito, may pipick up nito. May bibili nito mamaya. Ay, tulog na tulog pa rin ang ating baby girl. Tingnan niyo. Oh, kawawa naman ang baby. Buti na lang, madadala ang aking mannequin. Ay. You gonna go on a taxi when you go to Brisbane?
Yeah, and drive. And I'm gonna drive in our car.
Careful. Not in the truck? You don't want to go in the truck now? So you go to Brisbane first? No, actually, no. The truck will get there late. We will still get to Brisbane quicker enough than the truck. Yan po ang mga kagamitan. My goodness. Bukas, darating dito yung cleaner. Tawag dito? 9:30 ng umaga daw. So, marami pa tayong kailangang linisin. Oh, you're here, Bob. I was wondering where you are.
You told me to take.
Yeah, that should be it right now. Maybe we can bring the monitor, the extra monitor.
Last. Just make it last. You know? Make it last. See where the space is at.
Yeah. These ones. Lagay natin to. Nadalhin ko tong vanity ko kay regalo to ni Daddy Mike sa akin ba. First birthday ko na we're girlfriend boyfriend. Charot. Charot. Ngayon, dalawa na ang aming back team. Okay, ito natin dito. Pag nakaalis na to sila guys, then medyo malinis na tingnan ng ating space dito. There you go. That goes there. I think the other one is... Alam niyo bakit tinito ni Daddy Mike? Because merong mga laman sa loob. Hindi namin na kuha. What are you doing there, Nak? That's dirty, Nak. Dirty. Dirty too.
Yeah.
Careful, Paris.
Yeah.
That guy was
Ayan.
like a one-man show.
Yeah.
He'd have this done in 30 minutes, and it'd be like Tetris, mate. It'd be like just fucking. It was like
Ayan,
a
nakastuck
just looking at it, like.
Ate Paris.
I went under there.
Hmm?
I went under there and just.
He's actually quite.
You went under there?
He's a skinny fella too.
Yeah.
Skinny as, and he just that fucking superhuman strength and endurance. He just never got tired.
Down here. Down here.
There you are.
My house under there. Mommy. I was under there.
Guys, nakalimutan namin itong ilagay sa truck. Ang aming Not baby girl ay nandyan. Very messy pa here. Ito, hindi rin nailagay sa truck. Yan, we'll have to throw that away. So, the truck's gone. And we're just doing some cleanup now. Baby Celine is sleeping. Ito yung kanyang bath. So, we'll now throw it away. And si Daddy Mike ay kanina pa busy dyan. Sabi niya mukhang hindi daw, hindi daw kasya. I throw it away.
Huh?
I throw it away. Oh, have a look at your hairbrush, Daddy. Oh, I've got my lipstick. Can you get me that real blonde lipstick, Daddy? Please? The black one, see? Uy! Tingnan nyo guys. Oh, gabunot na baso. Sorry, sorry na to Daddy. Give it to me, babe. After the hairbrush, Bob, we have another hairbrush. Good. Why did you throw the lipstick? Wala sa utok, mangalkal na dali ka na. Gikan para ba niyo ang Japan na nga lipstick, kinatag pa ni Madam Reg. Bongkag.
You have to organise that out after, I think.
For another? For the fridge. Maybe we'll just do...
Rubbish pickup.
Yeah. For the fridge and for the washing machine. Yeah.
Look how much trash bag.
How about this, Daddy?
Which one? Yeah, I gotta cut it off. I don't know, I just didn't touch these yet.
We'll have to...
I'm gonna throw it out, but like, I just want to use it again.
Tingnan nyo. Uy, oh my God. The back door. Ang dami pang ano. It's not a lot naman, Daddy. I think that's just enough.
What?
I think it's just enough.
What, all these? Still?
Yeah, and the box as well.
The barbecue.
Buddy, all the boxes up there.
No. The barbecue, the washing machine, the fridge, the bed.
Yeah, true. Nakita niya yung ano yung old microphone namin ba sa bin. Tinapon ng tatay. You sounded like me na. Talk again.
Hi, Celine. Hi, Celine.
Change it na. Change it na. Change it, the chipmunk. Again. Another one. No, push again. Na again. Another one. Okay. You sound like a chipmunk.
You sound like a bunny.
Tignan nyo guys, natapos ni Daddy Mike. Meron pang hindi napasok. Maybe we can put the boxes, Bob, if we cut them into pieces. On top of it, yeah? Ayan, Did you see the difference? Meron pa mga boxes doon sa taas, so moving boxes.
I've got the machete.
Oh, that's not a machete, Daddy. It's a gabas. Taka, Daddy, oy, I'll do it. Look, nga na, bari ay. You don't do it that way. It's a saw, Bob. It's like that, yeah. Taka naman siya, oy. Have a look. See? It's very full. You can see how big that is. Anyways, pinasok na ni Daddy Mike yung mga bagay-bagay doon sa loob ng bahay. Pinasok sa sasakyan. We'll take it to the charity. So we'll donate them. It's nearly 7 o'clock na ng gabi, but the sun is still up. Andyan na yung yung barbecue tsaka yung bench. We'll organize kung hindi maano yung ang tawag dito, yung washing machine tsaka yung fridge. We'll put it out here by like tomorrow morning or tonight. Anak ko, careful anak. And then we'll just do air tasker. So we'll pay someone to pick the rubbish up. Kasi kailangan na ng cleaner. Walang laman talaga yung bahay bukas. So kailangan nakalabas na lahat. Taris, careful anak ha. Come on, let's go na. Hello, Celine. Ayan na si Daddy Mike. Diyan na lang i-donate. And then people who works in the charity, they will tawag dito organize nila.
A few moments later.
So yan guys, nailabas na ang ibang mga gamit. And I think friend Ems, ayan, kakaalis lang nila guys. Yung ibang ano, yung monitor, yung lamp, binigay yung mga hangers, binigay namin lahat sa kanila guys kasi nasasayangan ako ba. Yung pwede lang naman nilang magamit yung kinuha nila. So yung most of it ay nandito sa loob.
Go to bed.
Huh?
Celine, go to sleep. Go to bed.
Yeah, I know. I'm so
Because
sleepy.
then if Paris wakes up,
Wala pa rin akong tulog guys.
I'll fix the
Since yesterday.
I'll fix the house
Since yesterday.
and finish the house. You just go to sleep so if my daughter wakes up, she's not going to be like...
Tingnan niyo, oh, mga boxes.
She'll just think it's night time and you're about to sleep.
Ay ko.
She'll just think it's night time and you're sleeping.
Meh, magawin na.